Alright guys, you're going to need to have your construction paper. Now you can get a choice of red, blue, and white. Okay, you need a Sharpie marker, you need a pair of scissors, and a ruler. Okay, alright, so we're going to use the red because I think that's going to show up the best. So to cut your strips for your rings, I'm going to fold it in half. And we're going to fold it like what they call hot dog style. Alright, and then I'm going to open it back up, and you got two rectangles. You're going to take the edge, the long side, and you're going to fold it, and it's going to touch that middle, and it's going to open it up again. Alright, now I've got two long rectangles and one bigger rectangle. We're going to repeat on the other side, fold that over, line it up, and now you should have a total of 4 rectangles. Okay, so the ruler here is because you're going to line it up, and you're going to have it touch that fold line. And then I'm going to use my Sharpie marker, and I hold it, see, I make a letter L with my hand, and so I spread my letter L from my hand out like that, and I hold it in 2 points, and then I press down, and I draw a line. And I'm going to move it over, line it up with the next fold, and then you got to press down and hold it. Okay, that's the most important part, hold it so it doesn't slide. And get another line, and I also make sure I line up the top and the bottom. I'll turn it this way, maybe you guys can see this better, but I hold it down 2 spots and draw a line. Okay, alright, and so I'm going to close up my Sharpie marker, and you can see I didn't really bear down hard to get those lines because Sharpie marker works really well. And so now long and thin. Okay, so these are going to make your strips, okay? Alright, and so the next thing I'm going to do is I want you to think about writing something on this strip with your Sharpie marker that you're thankful for from the people who help us out in our community. So you'll just write 1 sentence, and then you're going to sign it with the Sharpie marker. You don't have to bear down hard. You don't have to worry about spelling, and just do the best you can. And here I'm going to write, I am thankful for the Army. Right, and then I'm going to write my name. Okay? Alright, close up your Sharpie marker so it doesn't dry out. Okay, now what we're going to do, we're going to leave those on the outside, and we're going to, I forgot to mention, we're going to need a glue stick. So you take the lid off, and then you're just going to turn the knob just so you have a little bit of glue. Alright, and then I'm just going to put a little bit of glue on the back, on the one side. Okay, so it's just right here along that. And then all I have to do is loop this over, and it touches. And then I'm going to press and hold, and I count silently. And I'm really squeezing in between my fingers, and I'm counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I've made my little loop. Okay, you can make your next chain, and you put it inside. So there's a hole, and you put your loop inside there. Okay, and then you can go ahead. And I think it would be better if you did different colors, like do red, white, and blue. Put some glue on the end. And then I'm going to turn it around here. So this is my glue side. Always remember which side you have your glue. And then you overlap it. Press and count silently. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so you're going to make some of these chains here, and it'll hold it together. Okay, so you got a little link of chains. Okay, and that's it. That's how you make your chains for your link. Alright, rewatch the video if you need to, so if you've forgotten a step. Alright, and thanks for watching.